The Uniden GUARDIANT App Cam Solo PT is a 100% wire-free, weatherproof, smart security Wi-Fi camera with an exceptional pan and tilt capability. Capture more of what's going on and protect your property with the massive 355-degree pan and 140-degree tilt feature that records, protects and deters against unwanted intruders. Place the App Cam Solo PT outdoors anywhere you need watching and rest assured your home, office or other property is safe and sound. The camera pans horizontally through 355 degrees and tilts vertically through 140 degrees to cover all angles. Combine this with a wide viewing angle lens and you have maximum coverage and control to see and record more of what's going on. The App Cam Solo PT's camera captures Full HD 1080p 2-megapixel video for clearer images and live streaming in more detail. App Cam Solo PT connects to your Wi-Fi spot and setup is simple, allowing you to view, vision and control the pan and tilt of the App Cam Solo PT on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world. Motion detection recording means vision can be recorded for future use to a removable micro SD card. Plus, it can be backed up to the My Uniden cloud for off-site storage and viewing. The App Cam Solo PT features Thermo Sense Technology, a smart heat and movement sensor that detects movement from people as opposed to motion from trees and other objects. This feature allows you to receive notifications from actual events, giving you the ability to act quickly and call the police when needed. When triggered, the camera sends a smart alert, allowing you to see and hear what's happening from wherever you are. You can then pan and tilt the camera using the free Uniden Solo app to control, scan and point anywhere in the viewing area. Check and see if there's any security concerns, such as unwanted trespassers, a break-in or burglary. If someone is on the move, no problem, just pan and tilt the camera to follow and capture the action. A two-way talk feature means you can listen and talk back in real time, and a siren alert trigger activates a 100 decibel siren with the touch of a finger, scaring off unwanted intruders. Smart alerts to the camera are customizable so that you can record your own personalized alerts when motion is detected.
Stop, I'm calling the police.
Low battery notifications are automatically sent once capacity drops to 10%, allowing plenty of time for a recharge. You can extend your Uniden GUARDIANT App Cam Solo PT battery operating time with a Uniden solar panel. The solar panel provides non-stop power during daylight hours, is completely weatherproof and easily installed, featuring a 360-degree mount that ensures positioning for maximum sunlight exposure. Place the Uniden GUARDIANT App Cam Solo PT outdoors without worrying about the weather. Its innovative, weatherproof design means the camera can be used anywhere and adjusted to cover any area. Designed specifically with Australian properties in mind, the App Cam Solo PT is part of the Uniden GUARDIANT App Cam 100% wire-free Full HD 1080p smart security camera range. It comes with a 2-year local warranty. Give yourself peace of mind with one of the most powerful pan and tilt surveillance cameras on the market. Sure to suit any home or business, the Uniden GUARDIANT App Cam Solo PT. Monitoring and securing your home or business has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you guarded.